Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Coming to this video, it is assignment 4 of the course programming in Java. So if you are new to our channel, then like the video, subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Keep supporting us and please watch the video till the end without skipping. Coming to the first question, so friends, these are my probable answers and I have given 100% correct answers to my best. So if you found any mistake or errors or request any changes, please comment in the comment section so others will also able to see those changes. Coming to first question, which of the following statements is or true? So the default package in the Java language is java.line, so it is true. And the string is a final class and is present in java.lang package, it is also true. And fourth one, thread is a class present in java.lang package, it is also true. When coming to C, option C, runnable is a class present in java.lang package. Actually, runnable class is not present in java.lang package. Runnable interface will be present in java.lang package. So in that sense, I am not marking it as correct answer. I am just marking A, B and C as correct answers, because even if it is correct, we will get 3/4 of the marks. So I am going with option A, B and D. If it is wrong answer, then whole answers will also be wrong. So instead of that, we at least get 3/4 of 1 mark. This is when option C is also correct. So if it is option C is wrong, we will get full marks. So let's go to second one. Which of the following statement is or all false? So the false option is option C, import package.a star. It is used to match a subset they have given, but it is not used to match a subset class in package starts with A. So C is the correct answer for second question. And coming to third one, which of the following is or are classes of java.awt package? So actually there are three answers for this. First one is option A, card layout is class of java.awt. Option B also, checkbox also. And option C, choice. Menu container is not a class and hence the correct answers are A, B and C. Coming to fourth one, for which purpose packages are used in Java? So the reason behind using of packages in Java is option B, that is organizing Java classes into namespaces. So for this purpose we use packages in Java. So mark option B as correct answer for fourth question. And coming to fifth one, which of the following is false? They have given 4 statements and they given 4 options, choosing what are correct, and finally we have to choose the correct option according to the given question. So which of the following are false? Actually first 3 are correct. So if you see the options here, somewhat tricky question. Here they have given only 1, 2 and 3. So only 1, 2, 3 are correct answers, but their given question is which of the following is or are false. So we can leave this only 3 and 4. Only 3 and 4 is not correct because 3 correct, 4 false. So it is false, and they have also asked about what is false only. So option B is correct. And coming to C, 1 and 3 only correct. No, 1 and 3 is not only not correct, there is also 2 including them, so it is also false statement. So it is correct answer for the given question as it is false. And coming to option D, only 3 is not correct answer. All 1, 2, 3 are correct answers only, so it is also false statement. These 3 are false statements. and hence what we need is also false statement only. So mark option B, C, D are false statements, but correct statements are 1, 2, 3 and false statement is 4, and the false option is B, C, D. So mark option B, C and D as correct answers for fifth question. Coming to sixth one, which of the following statements are not correct regarding interface in Java? So the statements incorrect are option A, an interface contain only abstract methods and standard methods, but no static methods are allowed. It is a false statement, so it is correct answer for given question. And other option is option B. So mark option A and option B as correct answers for sixth question, that is option A and option B. And coming to seventh one, in JRE, how JRE knows where to look for a package that you create? So seventh answer, actually there are three correct answers for this. The first one is option A, it searches in the current directory is the first option, correct option, and second option also correct only, that is option B. It searches in the location set in the class path environment variable, this is also correct. And seventh question, other correct answer is option C, user can set path during runtime using the class path option. So option A, option B along with option C, all these three are correct for seventh question. And coming to eighth one, which of the following are correct regarding packages in Java? So eighth question answer, again there are three options. First one is Java supports both predefined and user defined packages, option A. And second one is packages are used to organize a set of related classes and interfaces, option B. And third answer is again answer C only, predefined packages help to develop programs easily by providing thousands of classes. So the three answers are option A, option B and option C. And coming to ninth question, last but one question of week 4. Consider a program and they have given a small program. So the correct answer for ninth question is option C. It will give the output as Java. There is no compile time or runtime errors. So mark option A as correct answer for ninth question. And coming to the final question of this week 4, they have given a program again. So they have asked us the output. So when I have did this in my command line, I got the compile time error. I will say where the compile error came. It came in the place of pi. It is not considered as any variable of in position of 3.14. It is not considered as 3.14. So here I have got the error in this place. So I have got compile time error. It will give compile time error, that is option A. So mark option A as correct answer for 10th and final question. So friends, this is the video about assignment 4. So let's meet again in assignment 5. So until then, keep supporting our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.